Greetings in the name of the Lord. All right, so for all you mechanics that have 2005 and up Explorers, I'm just giving you an FYI. Okay? So for the Ford Explorer 2005 edition, I had a safe mode, or we call it a limp mode, on the vehicle. Okay? Come to find out, I had a throttle body stuck in open position. That is the throttle body mechanism that allows you to mash the gas to get up to speed. Okay? So, when I repaired the problem, the car did something very strange. It popped and it clicked and then it crunk up by itself without the key being in the ignition. So it did it twice. And I was wondering, how can the car do that? Well, the answer is the computer. The computer noted that the issue was fixed, and it actually crunked the car up without the key being in the ignition at all. And it did it twice. And when I opened the door and I opened the door and put the key in the ignition, and I crunk it up again. So, for all you guys that don't understand why that is happening, it is because the computer on board is rebooting. It rebooted the car and all of the electrical systems, which is a good thing. Because I did 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds. Now that the throttle body armature is fixed. So, just giving you an FYI of what happens when you change that and get the issue fixed. Okay, y'all have a great day. I'm getting ready to go up here and take a shower because I'm real dirty. Yeah, I am really dirty. All right, so I'll talk to y'all later on. Bye-bye.